Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Professor Williams and I'm here today in Minitab 18 and I'm going to show you how to calculate a correlation coefficient and a covariance for a pair of variables. Remember, in Minitab we want to have each variable have its own column. So what I have is here I have the number of tornadoes in a year and then the number of deaths in that same year attributed to tornadoes, and I've simply entered them in a single column this way. And remember that this 2008 has two values associated with it, number of deaths and number of tornadoes. So I'm going to come up to my menu and I'm going to click on Stat, Basic Statistics. I'm going to come down and I'm going to do the correlation first. Remember that when you hover over a menu item in Minitab, it'll tell you what that function is. And so we know that our correlation coefficient simply measures the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two variables. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to open up my dialog box. And so the two variables that I'm interested in are going to be in columns C2 and C3. So I want tornadoes and deaths. And so what I need to do is I need to move those over there into this window. And I can do that using the select button right down here. So I'm going to click on tornadoes. I'm going to select. I'm going to click on deaths. I'm going to select, and then Minitab gives you an option of either the Spearman-Rho or the Pearson correlation. We're just going to do a basic Pearson correlation. If you need the p-values, you can click here. If not, I mean, it's just an on-off. Right? And now I'm going to hit OK. And Minitab's going to think for like 2 nanoseconds, and it's going to give me in my session window, right, it's going to give me my Pearson's correlation of 0.024. So literally, that's all there is to that. So now I'm going to come back to my data here in my worksheet, and I'm going to come back to Stat, go to Basic Statistics. I'm going to come down, and now what I want is I want the covariance of the pairs of variables. So again, here's my dialog box. So last time we selected the two variables by using this select function down here at the bottom. I'm going to show you another way you can do it. So if I come up to tornadoes and I double click, it jumps over. Now I'm going to go to deaths. I'm going to double click and it jumps over. So either use the select feature or just double click and they'll jump over in the variable window for you. That's literally all you need. And now you hit OK. You'll see that it's opened up another, your session window and put your information together. And so it's going to show you the covariances. The covariance that I wanted was between tornadoes and deaths. So I'm going to look at this matrix and I'm going to pick the one right here where my row intersects my column. And so now what I know is I have a positive linear relationship. The covariance is 3.1778, but I have a correlation coefficient of only 0.02. So positively correlated, probably not as strongly as we would think. So literally, in Minitab 18, that's all you need to do to find both your correlation coefficient and your covariance. Hope you guys have a great day.